For years, the Subaru Outback has been one of the most practical models on the market, and now the 2027 model is solving every complaint its owners ever had, making it better than ever. If you've been holding off on buying one because the old cabin felt dated, the cargo space fell short, or the base engine left you wanting more, this is the model you've been waiting for. Most people assume a practical, affordable SUV means settling for a mediocre interior and forgettable performance, but the 2027 Outback is arriving with a cabin that rivals near-luxury SUVs and a turbocharged engine that hits 60 in around 6 seconds for a starting price that undercuts most of the competition. Modern-day wagon. One of the things that has always set the Outback apart from the crowd is the way it looks. No other mid-size SUV carries itself quite like this one. The classic wagon proportions are still very much part of the identity. Long, roofline, stretched silhouette, wide stance, but now they're wrapped in a far more assertive package. The boxy sheet metal gives the Outback a taller, more upright presence on the road. And the combination of those two design philosophies, wagon and SUV, turns out to be something that just works. A lot of mid-size SUV buyers find themselves stuck choosing between something that looks sharp and something that's actually useful. That's exactly the gap the new Outback is designed to close. The front end is broader and stronger looking than before, with headlights positioned at each corner of the fascia to emphasize width and a sense of road-ready durability. Body-colored trim elements frame those lights, while the lower front fascia uses a textured finish that's both scratch-resistant and aerodynamically optimized. Around back, a new light signature stretches across the full width of the rear liftgate, giving the Outback a clean, distinctive appearance from any angle. The steeper rear window rake adds visual dynamism, and it's going to free up meaningful cargo space inside at the same time. The Wilderness trim is taking things even further. Chunky all-terrain tires, unique front and rear bumpers, exclusive cladding, and copper exterior accents make it look like something built for the trail rather than the school run, though it's equally capable of both. And while the outside tells a strong story on its own, what's sitting under the hood is going to matter just as much to the people who actually drive this thing every day. Proven boxer engines. Subaru isn't reinventing the wheel here, and that's entirely by design. Two flat-4 engines are going to power the 2027 Outback lineup, and both of them have a long track record of reliability behind them. The base unit is a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer, producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. It's a familiar, predictable powertrain that keeps running costs manageable and suits everyday use well. Think about what it's like to merge onto a highway with a full load of passengers and gear, and realize the engine underneath you just isn't up to the task. That's the scenario the turbocharged 2.4-liter flat-4 is built to eliminate. Rated at 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, it brings a meaningfully different character to the driving experience. 0 to 60 is achievable in around 6.0 seconds in the Wilderness trim, a figure that puts the Outback ahead of rivals like the Jeep Grand Cherokee with its turbo 4-cylinder. Both engines are paired with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, featuring an 8-speed manual shift mode, and standard symmetrical all-wheel drive comes on every single trim level, without exception. The Outback isn't going to leave anyone short on capability, but all that power means very little if the space inside can't keep up. And that's where the story gets really interesting. Interior design. Stylish and practical. The cabin is where the 2027 Outback is going to turn the most heads. This is a noticeably more upscale environment than anything the previous generation offered, and the step up in quality is immediately apparent. The dashboard layout is clean and well thought out, with handsome materials throughout, including a dual-panel digital setup that integrates a 12.3-inch instrument cluster alongside the 12.1-inch infotainment display. Climate controls have their own dedicated row of hard buttons and knobs below the central screen, a detail that will resonate with anyone who finds themselves fumbling through menus on a cold morning. Anyone who has spent time in the previous Outback knows exactly how quickly the cargo area became a limiting factor on longer trips. The taller, boxier roofline is changing that in a significant way, opening up to 35 cubic feet behind the rear seats, and 81 cubic feet with the seats folded, a substantial step forward compared to the outgoing model. The greenhouse remains generous, with excellent outward visibility in all directions. That's a quality that Subaru has historically done better than most, and one that carries on here without compromise. The material quality reflects a clear improvement in ambition. Perforated leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and thoughtfully placed tech are going to give the Outback a presence that feels closer to a near-luxury SUV than a mainstream one. The touring trim is adding Napa leather seats, ventilated front positions, and an auto-dimming smart rear-view mirror, while even the entry-level Premium is coming standard with StarTech's water-repellent upholstery and a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat. Bottle holders in each door are sized for 32-ounce water bottles, and the rear seat is comfortable and genuinely spacious for adult passengers, with legroom and headroom that finally feel appropriate for a mid-size SUV at this price point. A cabin this well put together deserves equally serious technology behind it, and that's exactly what Subaru is delivering. Tech and safety features. Technology is one of the areas where the 2027 Outback is going to stand out most clearly against the competition. The 12.1-inch multimedia system is powered by a newly developed processor, making it noticeably faster and more responsive than the previous setup. The redesigned homepage features a quick access menu bar at the top of the screen, allowing the driver to switch between navigation, music, and phone operations with minimal distraction. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, as does a cloud-based voice recognition system for hands-free control of key functions. On higher trims, the upgrade path is compelling. The Limited adds a Harman Kardon audio system with 12 speakers, in-dash navigation, wireless smartphone charging, and a heated steering wheel. The Touring goes further with a surround view monitor and highway hands-free assist, a system that supports driver-supervised, hands-free highway driving at speeds up to 85 miles per hour. There's a reason driver assistance technology has become one of the biggest deciding factors for buyers in this segment, particularly on long highway stretches where fatigue sets in fast. That's where Subaru's latest EyeSight suite is going to make a real difference, and it's going to be standard on every trim level without exception. The list of included systems is extensive: automatic emergency steering, emergency stop assist, front and side alert assist, emergency lane keep assist, haptic steering wheel alerts, front cross-traffic braking, and lane keep assist are all part of the package. Blind spot warning with rear cross-traffic warning and reverse automatic braking are also included as standard equipment. The wide-angle EyeSight camera adds a 180-degree forward view to help detect pedestrians and cyclists, while the driver-focused distraction mitigation system monitors driver attention and responds accordingly. All of that technology and safety coverage is impressive on its own, but how much is it actually going to cost to get behind the wheel of one? Release date and price. The 2027 Subaru Outback is going to arrive at dealerships later this year, with availability expected in the fall. Pricing is going to start at approximately $37,000 for the base premium trim, moving up through the Limited at around $44,000, the Touring at roughly $45,000, and the Limited XT at approximately $44,400. The off-road ready Wilderness is going to come in at around $45,000, while the range-topping Touring XT is expected to land near $48,000 to start. For the level of equipment, capability, and quality on offer, the Outback continues to represent one of the strongest values in the mid-size SUV segment. Standard all-wheel drive, an advanced safety suite, a genuinely spacious cabin, and a refined new interior. All of it factored into a price that slots below many of its closest rivals. Whether the base naturally aspirated version or the turbocharged Wilderness is the right fit, there's a version of this SUV for almost every kind of buyer. The 2027 Subaru Outback is arriving with answers to questions that have followed this nameplate for years. A bolder, more purposeful exterior design finally settles the wagon versus SUV debate by blending the best of both worlds into a single cohesive package. Under the hood, two proven boxer engines cover the full range of buyer needs, from the fuel-efficient naturally aspirated base to the genuinely quick turbocharged unit. Inside, a cabin that finally feels premium enough to justify the price tag is backed by class-leading cargo space, excellent outward visibility, and the kind of practicality that built the Outback's reputation in the first place. Layer in a comprehensive standard safety suite, a fast and intuitive infotainment system, and a price that starts around $37,000, and it becomes very hard to argue against the Outback as one of the best all-around values in the mid-size SUV segment today. The Outback remains one of the rare rugged wagons on the current market and definitely has a wide audience. Still, if you prefer something more conventional, you definitely want to check our video about the 2027 Subaru Forester. Brand new hybrid powertrain, impressive practicality, and numerous tech and safety options make it one of the most complete packages in the segment.